But yeah, this is the picture I saved. Here's what it looks like. I drew this helpful diagram. Do you see what I'm saying? Here's what it looks like. And then I saw this picture. That's cool. So I want it. We're gonna make it. Here's everything we made today. Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to another Friday video. I'm here to quench your DIY thirst yet again. I don't know about you, but I'm always scrolling Pinterest and I see these cute little hacks and cute little DIYs and I save them and then never do them. And so I thought today, why don't we test a bunch of those and see if they really work? And you'll get the smidge stamp of approval. So let's get my trusty journal. We're coming to the end now. It's actually sad. I'm gonna have to get a new one. Look how big it's got. Number one, we have the denim tie. I thought this was really cool. If you know me, you know that I love ties. Tie collection video coming soon, by the way, guys. It will happen. There's no tutorial on this. There's no tutorial on a lot of these. It's just me kind of coming up with how I would make it. So I'm kind of giving you a tutorial from a picture. But yeah, this is the picture I saved, and I've seen some others where it's like, you know those fake ties where it's like a string? Now I feel like you could totally make that, but I want to see if I can make the full one, either by finding a tie pattern online or cutting up a tie you already have and making a pattern out of that. I'm gonna take a bunch of denim scraps and then I'm just gonna like sew stuff on the material I've got. Let me actually just see if I can grab the material I've got. It's kind of thin. I really don't want the tie to be thick, so I think if you're gonna replicate this, look, this is just the bottom of a pair of jeans. Using a thinner denim, it's gonna work better. They already have kind of like detail. Even if I don't add anything to it, it's already gonna look cool. So very excited for that. So I'm gonna cut around the pattern, sew it together. Here's what it looks like. Make it look neat. Although I guess with this one it doesn't really matter, because again, what do we say, guys? Yeah, no, it's like my style, and the style is like mess. Yeah, that's what we say. Okay, number two is badges from bottle caps. Where have I put them actually? Well, they're somewhere. I saw this on Pinterest. Duh, that's the title of the video. You take a bottle cap, you print off like what you want it to be on the front, and they used Mod Podge, but you can use PVA glue if you're British or anyone else. Paint it over the top. It's decoupage basically is what it is. And then you put a safety pin in the back and you have a cool badge. This is what it looks like. Even if it looks a little bit janky, I think it's kind of cute that it looks like, you know, and it could go on the tie. Amazing. This third one, I'm excited. Okay, I saw a bunch of these. It wasn't like a DIY, but it was something I saw that I thought I could make myself, kind of thing. But it's like those t-shirts that have cutout on the front and then the same material cutout is on the sleeves, so it's matchy. I drew this helpful diagram. Do you see what I'm saying? Oh my god. Bill Cipher, what are you doing here? My plan is I take this t-shirt and I take this jumper. I cut a star out of the front and I put a star on the front of the green t-shirt. I cut the sleeves and sew the sleeves on the edge. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah? That's my idea. Here's what it looks like. I think I did it. This next one I'm really excited for. Number 4, messenger bag. Cool version. I was gonna do it on this bag that I wear all the time. I thought I wanted to make it more like these pictures that I saw, and then literally the next day my mum was clearing out her clothes and I'm gonna do it to this bag instead. It's literally perfect. My idea is pins and patches and sewing, and so excited. This is the before and this is the after. So cool. This next one I'm kind of nervous for because I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll just have to see. This is my phone currently. There she is. So my phone case is yellow. It's disgusting. To be honest, I've had this phone case for like 4 years, so it makes sense. And I've been wanting to buy a new phone case for ages. The only reason why I want one is because it looks ugly and I wanted like a new year refresh, you know? And then I saw this picture. That's cool. So I want it. We're gonna make it. Now, concern number 1, because it's fabric, it could get stained. Because it's fabric, it could get washed. Question mark? So maybe it'll be fine. I'm just thinking about going to the club and getting alcohol on it. Not gonna lie, that's what I'm thinking of. But like, it's okay. We'll see. Basically, we're just gonna see. And this is the one that I'm most scared about. That's why it's saved till last. But hopefully, you're watching me do it right now and it looks good. I hope it looks good. My idea is you put fabric around it, sew bits on, glue. This is me coming up with how I would make it from no tutorial whatsoever. So here we are. As always, if you want to ask questions, if you need clarification on anything on how I did something, just ask and I'll reply. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the end. Yet another awesome sauce DIY video by me. Bang! Got lots more coming up. Merch is out, by the way. I'm still doing the Doctor Who video. It's gonna happen. The weird outfit combinations video from your comments. Like, that's still happening. Guys, 1 video a week. Here's everything we made today. Cool. If you make any of these things, tag me. That's it. Thank you to my supporters on the website. Thank you. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.